above the forest floor, past the ivy-covered door where the silver fireflies glow, there's a place the fairies know. Tiny bridges, lantern light, golden windows in the night. Every branch and every breeze sings through ancient glowing trees. We live inside the lantern tree, where moonlight falls like melody, with flower crowns and wings so bright. We dance beneath the stars at night. Morning dew in crystal cups, tiny gardens waking up, tea and honey, bread and cream. Everything feels like a dream. Softly through the winding leaves, magic hums in little streams. Candles glow in hollow homes, no fairy heart must feel alone. We live inside the lantern tree, where moonlight falls like melody, with velvet skies and glowing air. There's gentle magic everywhere. Tiny footsteps on the bark, lanterns glowing through the dark. Songs drift softly through the rain, then the flowers bloom again. The bakers make their sugared bread, lavender and roses spread, and violin notes float so high, like fireflies across the sky. We live inside the lantern tree, a hidden world of harmony, where every leaf and branch above is stitched together out of love. When the evening stars appear, all the fairy lights draw near. Golden windows softly gleam, like pieces of a waking dream. And if you listen very close, beyond the vines and climbing rose, you may hear the forest sing of tiny hearts and silver wings.